Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and in this video here are some questions that can help you to write the introduction for the Csec Visual Arts Reflective Journal. Now, these questions can be more or less depending on what you want. These questions are just for a guide. It can guide you into writing the introduction. For persons who already know how to write an introduction, well, you're fine. For persons who don't, this is the best video for you. Alright, so number one, what period of time was your journal created or made? Meaning, did you start the Csec Visual Arts journal in grade 9, 7, 8, 10, 2001, 2, 3, 24? What year was it created? Alright, I try to let my students go as detailed as possible. This will help them to better formulate different sentences. Alright, that's just from yes. So you can state the year, the month, the grade, etc. Number two, why was your journal created, or the purpose of it? So what's the purpose of your Csec Visual Arts journal? So your purpose can be for Csec Visual Arts, to house your Csec Visual Arts pieces, your 10 Csec Visual Arts pieces, to give a reflection of what you have done in grade 9 to 11, etc. What is your theme? You already know what the theme is about. So is it about nature, city, etc.? Number four, what are some of the things we will see based on your theme? So based on your theme, what are some of the objects and subjects that you are studying? Number five, what expressive forms have you chosen? Is it drawing, painting, textiles, fashion, ceramics, etc.? What did you choose? What two expressive forms did you choose? Number six, what are some of the things you will see based on your expressive forms? Based on your expressive forms, would you see like objects like butterflies? Would you see cats flying? Would you see different textures, etc.? This question is like a question to help fatten the introduction. So as I said, it can be more or less. Number seven, what are the names of the local or Caribbean artists that you have selected? So what are the Caribbean artists that you have selected to help you to understand how to execute your different art pieces, or artists that inspired you to select your specific theme or specific artwork that you were creating? Number eight, what type of art will you see from each of the artists, and how many artworks from each? So how many artworks did you choose from the specific artist? Is it 6, 5, etc.? Usually it's 5. Some persons use 6, but I would say stick to 5. Alright, what type of artworks are they? Are they painting? Are they ceramics, etc.? What type of art did the artist do or is doing? Number 9, what will readers or viewers learn from each? So based on the information given in your Csec Visual Arts journal, what information will the readers learn based on the artist or based on your theme? Number 10, how would you like readers to feel after they have read or looked through your journal? So how would you like the reader or anybody who takes up your visual art journal to feel, or what do you want to let them gain from your Csec Visual Arts journal? Is it inspiration? Is it new and improved ways of doing something? Would you want them to feel good about what you have done? Would you want them to have a sense of sadness because of your theme? Would you want them to have a sense of happiness because of your theme, etc.? This is just the questions that can help you to write your introduction. Now, as I said, it can be more or less depending on you and your teacher. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for listening. Now see you in the next one. Bye guys. Art Workfly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.